Can guava really help you lose weight? Yes, guava for weight loss? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it works, and in this video, I'll reveal how guava can help you lose weight fast, the best time to eat it, and why it's your new secret weapon. Stick with me till the end to discover how guava can transform your weight loss journey. Can guava really help in weight loss? First things first, can guava really help you lose weight? The answer is yes. Here's why. Guava is low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients like vitamin C and potassium. One guava only has about 40 to 50 calories, making it a perfect snack for weight loss. And because it's rich in fiber, it keeps you full for longer, curbing those unhealthy cravings. Now, let's talk about speed. Guava isn't just a low-calorie snack, it also boosts your metabolism. The natural sugars in guava provide energy without causing blood sugar spikes, while the fiber helps improve digestion. Better digestion means better fat burning, and better fat burning means faster weight loss. Plus, guava is great for managing your insulin levels, which plays a key role in shedding those extra pounds. So, when's the best time to enjoy guava? Here are my top recommendations. 1. Morning boost. Add guava to your breakfast for an energizing, low-calorie start to your day. 2. Mid-morning snack. Feeling hungry before lunch? Snack on a guava instead of chips or cookies. It'll keep you full and satisfied. 3. Dinner companion. Pair guava with a light salad for dinner to keep it healthy and refreshing. No matter when you eat it, guava fits seamlessly into your routine. Guava isn't just a fruit, it's a game changer for weight loss. So, are you ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments when you plan to add guava to your day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weight loss tips. See you next time.